Hi everyone, this video is being posted on Tuesday, March 15, 2022. I'm coming to you from the Academic Resource Center inside the MOFET Student Center here on campus. I'm Natalia Melgarejo, one of the Student Success Coordinators at Johnson College. Today, I'm filling in for Dr. Katie, who is unavailable because she's off retracing the route Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers traveled during their 1977 tour, or at least that's what I've been told. Last Friday, the college hosted its 3D printing competition for high school students. The competitors each designed and made assemblies using only 3D printed parts. Then each assembly was tested to the point of breaking. It was a fantastic event, and it was great seeing so many high school students and their advisors on campus. Students, the last resume workshop session before career fair will be held this Thursday, March 17th from 9 to 11 a.m. here at the Resource Center. Employers attending the career fair next Wednesday, March 23rd, will be asking to see your resume, so make sure yours is the best. Please stop in today to reserve your spot in Thursday's workshop. Now, we're almost a week and a half away from our next on-campus open house being held on Saturday, March 26th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. If you know someone interested in attending Johnson College, be sure to tell them to visit johnson.edu/open house to learn more and register for our spring open house. The Johnson College Open is back and will be held Friday, May 20th at Pine Hills Country Club in Taylor. If your business or organization would like to be a Johnson College Open sponsor, or if you're interested in golfing this year, please visit johnson.edu/golf. As I said, I'm inside our Academic Resource Center here on campus, where you will find me and the college's other Student Success Coordinator, Jordan Fritz, most of the time. We're the go-to staff to help students succeed. We provide students with one-on-one tutoring, group sessions, and sometimes even help with that day's homework. We also host events around campus for different reasons to bring our on-campus community together to celebrate the occasion, relax, and most importantly, have fun. Have you ever wanted to buy Johnson College gear but were unsure on where to go? Well, now, stop here, the Academic Resource Center, to check out our Johnson College merchandise cart. We got Johnson College shirts, hoodies, sweats, and so much more. The prices won't break your wallet, and part of your purchase price actually goes back to the students to help pay for activities and clubs. And now for my final note of the week. I haven't been at Johnson College very long. Actually, I only moved to Pennsylvania 6 months ago from New Jersey. But my first impression was how friendly everyone is and how much the staff and faculty care about the student success, which kind of makes my job as success coordinator go smoother. In my short time here, I have experienced the college's effect on the community and met many alumni who tell me amazing stories from their time here as students. Their stories make me think that maybe I should have moved to Pennsylvania and try to get a job here sooner. Anyways, I'm excited to see what else I will learn and experience here at Johnson. That's it for this week's presidential update video from the Academic Resource Center inside the MOFET Student Center. Hopefully, Dr. Katie's souped-up Volkswagen van will be back on campus soon. I'm Natalia Melgarejo. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, be well, and have a great week.